In front of me is Motorola Edge 60 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Firstly, launch Settings and tap on Connected Devices. Then choose Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, click on the one you want to connect to. Select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request or accept it manually. As you can see, after a few seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Now, to manage connection to any saved device, use gear icon next to the chosen one. Then, check out and manage all of those options, including Forget. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!